So they said, how would they know and conform if we aren't in contact? So we are all one consciousness. Everybody is you pushed out. So whatever I think and assume about somebody else or about myself is what is going to get projected back to me. If I am thinking thoughts about a specific person, for example, that they don't want to be with me, that they always choose other people, etc., then they have to play that role out that I have created for them in my reality. It's all about thought transmission. They are receiving the thoughts that I am having about them, and they are going to think those thoughts. So if you are in no contact with your specific person and you start affirming things like, wow, they are so in love with me. They only want to talk to me. We are in constant communication all day long. They just love everything about me. They are going to receive that telepathically through thought transmission. And they will start thinking those thoughts like, wow, I think I love this person. I think I want to contact them. And then that's when they will get the message. Everybody is you pushed out. Nobody is separate from you. I hope this helped answer your question. Follow me for more tips.